What if I told you that one habit can help you think clearly, reduce stress, improve your focus, help in a decision making, and also help to understand yourself better and even making a better decision? And this habit does not require money, it's only required a consistency, and it's required a just a 5 minute each and every day of a year or a week. Just required a pen and a single notebook. It sounds like so simple, but here's the problem. That's why most of the people ignore this one habit. The habit is journaling. And talk about that one simple habit that can entirely change my life. And I follow this habit from approx 1 year. And I found that some benefits of doing this habit constantly. And it seems like so simple. It really help you to improve your entire life and the way you think. Whenever you hear the word journaling, you think like that writing a diary or a paragraph, but trust me, this is much more than that. Have you ever felt like that your brain is filled with a thought, unpending work, and the things that you want to do but you can't do because you are busy to doing some other work, and unclosed loop that goes in your mind. तुम्हारे दिमाग में वो चीज़ें चल रही हैं जो तुम्हें करना है, तुमने कुछ सोचा ये भी करना है, और तुम्हारे दिमाग में इतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें चल रही हैं. You have to make a list of that doing things, and this really helped you to make. Let me explain with your example. And all the things that run inside your mind is actually make you more exhausted. Thing happen with your brain. Journaling is like putting a heavy bag down. That's make you help to take a relief. That's where the first benefit begin, and the second benefit is understanding yourself. Interesting. Most people spend hours on a try to understand other, but very few understand themselves. Think about that. Think about it. What make you happy? What make you sad? What make you feel uncomfortable? When you do journaling on a daily basis, you found a pattern. You found the same thing make you uncomfortable every week. Same thing make you feel sad about that situation every week. Then when you do journaling on a daily basis, then you found a pattern. तुम नोटिस करते हो कि यही एक सेम चीज़ मुझे हर वीक ही प्रॉब्लम दे रही है. Then you start found a pattern and where you find the exact problem. और here's the most solution you found when you found the exact problem. जब तुम्हें exact problem पता चल जाता है तो तुम्हें उसका solution मिलने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. When you found the exact problem, and that's where journaling help. Journaling help to find your exact problem. Become conversation with your own self. Journaling help you to reduce your stress and anxiety. Let's be real. When you write your goal regularly and stay visible, take a notes, open a blank page and write whatever in your mind, because one day those pages would not just be words. They will be the proof of your journey. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Bye my moons.